Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Gulshan and I help you with your spoken English. मैं गारंटी देता हूँ अगर जो मैं बोलूँगा इस वीडियो में अगर आप इसे फॉलो कर लेते हो, नथिंग कैन स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम बिकमिंग अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर इन इंग्लिश. मैं इंग्लिश का बात कर रहा हूँ. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर इन इंग्लिश, दिस इज़ व्हाट यू नीड टू बी डूइंग एवरी सिंगल डे टू बिकम अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर. लाइक मैं आपको इस वीडियो में सीधा पॉइंट पे आता हूँ. मैं इस वीडियो में आपको कोलोकेशंस वर्ड सिखाऊंगा. अगर आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश में बनना चाहते हो तो कोलोकेशंस वर्ड्स आपको सीखने ही होंगे. व्हाट इज़ अ कोलोकेशन वर्ड? अ कोलोकेशन वर्ड इज़ समथिंग दैट गोज़ टुगेदर. लाइक जब आप उसे बोलोगे तो वो एक साथ बोला जाता है. जैसे कि मेक अ डिसीजन. मेक अ डिसीजन, तो मेक अ डिसीजन आपको ये सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि यहाँ पे मेक अ डिसीजन लगेगा या मेक द डिसीजन लगेगा. यू नीड टू बी जस्ट सेइंग मेक अ डिसीजन. तो कोलोकेशन वर्ड्स वो होते हैं जो एक साथ आते हैं, जो आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ता. विदाउट थिंकिंग यू कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली. एंड नेटिव स्पीकर्स ऐसे ही करते हैं. वो अधिकतर अपने स्पीचेस में कोलोकेशंस वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं. मेक अ डिसीजन, हैवी रेन्स एंड ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. यू नीड टू रिमेंबर द वर्ड्स दैट गो टुगेदर. Like just I have shared with you, there are so many collocation words on the internet that you can search and remember that. And if you use that in your conversation is going to sound like a native speakers, because it makes your conversation sound like a native speakers. And if you observe native speakers speaking English, you will observe that they are using a lot of collocation words, the words that go together. The words like pay attention, make a promise, break a promise, tell the truth, great responsibility. You need to be remembering this word every single day. I want you to remember 5 collocation words every single day if you want to become a fluent speaker. Like if you remember collocation words, you don't need to think where to use a, where to use the, where to use an. अमीर लोगों के बच्चे ऐसे ही इंग्लिश सीखते हैं. The people from rich family learn English this way. They learn collocation words and then they use those collocation words in their conversation. पहले वो collocation words सीखते हैं and वो use करना सीखते हैं. क्योंकि जब आप collocation words सीखते हो, the words that go together, आपको याद नहीं करना पड़ता कि ये कहाँ पे लगा है and कहाँ पे लगा है. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, वो खुद आपके मतलब ऑटोमेटिकली आपके मुँह से निकलेगा वो सारी शब्द. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई एम एबल टू एक्सप्लेन दिस clearly or not, but this is what they use when they speak English, and they sound like wow, they speak so good English, they speak fluent English. You can also speak fluent English if you use collocation words. And I have a homework for you. I want you to remember 5 collocation words every single day, and I want you to use that in your daily conversation. If you don't have anyone whom you can practice with, what you can do is you can use this in your own conversation, in your own self-talk dialogue. What do I mean by self-talk dialogue is like you, I had no one whom I could practice English with, so I used to practice those collocation words with me. I used to talk to me, and in that talking to myself, I used to use those collocation words, and that way I happen to remember all of those collocation words. And now I think I can articulate my thoughts well in this language because of those collocation words. And मैं चाहता हूँ कि इस वीडियो को आप लाइटली ना लें. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप collocation words आज से ही सीखना स्टार्ट कर दें, एंड आप देखेंगे कि 1-2 महीने में आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. दिस इज़ माई प्रोमिस यार. दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपेंड विद मी. लाइक आई हैपन टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, बट आई डिड नॉट रियलाइज दैट आई हैव बिकम अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर बिकॉज ऑफ दोज कोलोकेशन वर्ड्स. बट इट was collocation words that made me a fluent speaker, because of what I have become a fluent speaker, because of what I have learned how to articulate my thoughts well in this language. And now I want you to use these collocation words. I want you to, if you have not aware of using collocation words, I want you to be aware of that, and just use every single day, and I am very sure that you will become a fluent speaker in very short amount of time. एक बात और, कोलोकेशन वर्ड्स के साथ मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप फ्रेजेस भी सीखें, क्योंकि फ्रेजेस उतना ही हेल्प करेगी आपको फ्लुएंट बनाने में जितना कि कोलोकेशन वर्ड्स. फ्रेजेस लाइक ब्रेक द आइस. Like if you want to start something and that is hard to start, you can use this phrase, I am going to break the ice, means I am going to do that hard thing, I am going to start doing that hard thing. So this is called break the ice. So I need you to remember phrases and collocation spread as well, because this is what is going to make you a fluent speaker in the future. I think the people who are not able to express themselves in this language, who are not able to articulate their thoughts in this language, because they are not used to using collocation words and phrases. The people who have a lot of collocation words in their mind are the ones who speak English fluently, who never afraid of speaking English. This is what I have experienced. If a person is speaking English fluently, it means he has remembered a lot of collocation words and he has known how to use those collocation words in their conversation. And this is what you need to be doing every single day. I want you to just remember collocation words, like 5 words every single day, and use those words in your conversation so that you can retain those words for a long time. So yeah, this was the secret of my fluency, and this is what I wanted to say. And don't take this lightly. I have experienced this. I have observed that the people who have a lot of collocation words or phrases in their mind are the ones who became fluent speaker very soon. And if you want to become a fluent speaker, this is what you need to be doing every single day, and you will become a fluent speaker. This is my guarantee. If you like this video, I want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel, because I will be coming up with unique and better ways to improve your English. And if you watch my content, it means you are going to become a fluent speaker very soon. This is my promise.